Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin,
Dr. Raymond, I
until
wanted to begin with
4:45
you. We've been
p.m.
looking the
Central
last couple
Standard
days
Time.
for...
At 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Lake Geneva, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near East Troy and Browns Lake around 4:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Rochester and Potter Lake around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Waterford North around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Wind Lake around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Honey Creek, Waterford, Springfield, and Burlington. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe